Hello guys, welcome back. Extend video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error on TikTok. Something went wrong. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, go back your home screen and open your setting and tap on Wi-Fi. And from here tap on your connection, and from here tap on remove this network, and after a few minutes you have again connect your network, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and tap on again setting. From here scroll down and tap on system setting, and tap on system setting and scroll down and tap on backup and reset. Tap on this and tap on reset phone. Tap on this and tap on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and open your Play Store and App Store, and from here you search for this TikTok. Tap on TikTok. From here you make sure that update your new version. I am already updated, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back your home screen and tap on long press on TikTok and tap on app info, and from here tap on data usage. Tap on this, and from here you make sure that background data, if the toggle turn off, you have turn on, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and tap on force stop and tap on again force stop, and after that check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for last method and tap on long press on TikTok and tap on uninstall, and after a few minutes you have again install your TikTok, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.